So you've probably heard this over and over again. The money is in the list, or you're able to print money while you sleep. Now, these are true to an extent, and only if you're trying to master the process of attracting prospects, building relationships with them online, and getting them to take action in the form of buying your product or service. Now, the reality is that most business owners like you don't have the luxury of making instant connections with people. So, relationship building takes time and must be done delicately and consistently. You can't simply assume someone will buy the first time they sign up on your list. And oftentimes, it will take 7 to 12 emails before they really even see the value that you're offering. That said, you can easily do this online via email marketing autoresponders if done properly. In other words, regardless of when someone signs up on your lists, you can talk to them based on what they did. So the problem is most people know that this is what they need to do, but really don't have all the pieces of the puzzle to fit together and don't really know where to start. So if that's you, if you would like to discover how to set up your email autoresponder system using GetResponse so that you can grow an email list that gets higher click-through rates, higher open rates, and converts to sales starting today, then this video course will take you behind the scenes to help you understand how to build a relationship with your list. In fact, you'll gain access to these in-depth videos on email marketing that not only show you how to plan out your email series and how to make sure that you do it so that you can build a relationship with your list, but also how to take that email series and set it up on getresponse.com. Now, as long as you understand the concepts that are taught in this particular video series, you'll actually be able to take it to another email autoresponder system. It doesn't necessarily have to be getresponse.com, but we highly recommend that you start here so that you can master the process and move forward. So here's a breakdown of this 10-part video course in detail. Video number 1 is the introduction. Video number 2, we're going to talk about what's your end goal. One of the big mistakes that a lot of people make before they actually build a list, or even after they've built a list, is they have no end goal, they have no strategy, and therefore what ends up happening is you build a list of people that are just not converting. So we want to prepare you before you even get started. Video number 3, we're going to talk about how to create a connection so that you get higher click-through rates and higher open rates. Video number 4, we're going to talk about backward email funnel, which is a strategy that involves creating a high converting email series. Video number 5, we're going to talk about quick overview of GetResponse. I'm going to give you a view of the dashboard and where everything is laid out. And of course, we're going to jump right in from that point and talk about how to create a list. We're going to talk about the different types of lists like single opt-ins, double opt-ins, which one's better for you, different scenarios when it's better. That'll be video number 6. And video number 7, we'll talk about setting up your autoresponder series. Video number 8, we'll talk about setting up your emails. Video 9, we'll talk about setting up your web forms. And of course, video number 10, we'll talk about list hygiene, which, believe it or not, will actually help you get more open rates and get more of your emails into your customers and subscribers' inbox versus getting them into their spam folder. So go ahead and grab this video course today and access it immediately after your purchase.